Hey you, it's Sunjung from Hungry Gopher. This Kimchi Myth Buster series video is to answer some of your burning kimchi questions and breaking some myth. Do you think kimchi is hard to make? This is one of the most common questions I get. Kimchi seems to be really difficult to make. And you're not alone if you have that questions. After getting thousands of comments on my kimchi videos on YouTube, I understood that that's where people struggle with. But that is simply not true. Kimchi is super easy to make if you follow the right proven recipes. Hi son, I started eating kimchi when I lived in South Korea for 1 year. When I returned to the States, I would buy kimchi at Asian markets because I liked it and knew it had good probiotics for intestines. I thought it was going to be really difficult, but after using your recipe, I was pleasantly surprised that it is easy to make and just as good, actually better than anything from the store. See? You can do the same. I was just like you. Although I helped my mother and my grandmother to make kimchi for many years since I was a little kid, when I tried to make kimchi on my own when I moved in the States, I failed miserably for 3 times. I was so heartbroken that I didn't make it for 5 years. But I knew that homemade kimchi tastes so much better and you can use the best ingredients so that you can even get more benefits and heal your gut. And you can make something that suits your taste because there are more than 180 different types of kimchi. So join your friends who's already eating kimchi and getting more energy and enjoying the awesome flavors. Click the link below this video to download free top 3 easy kimchi recipes to boost your health. And visit 𝙒𝘼𝙏𝙃.com for more information. If you want fail-proof, proven, easiest kimchi recipes and kimchi tips, follow the link below this video for the exact recipes that I used and many others used to make mild and flavorful kimchi in just 10 minutes. And I'm offering this as 𝙒𝘼𝙏𝙏. So visit 𝙒𝘼𝙏𝙃.com for more information. I hope this video helps you to start making and eating kimchi to heal your gut and boost your health. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. Discover more kimchi recipes and health and wellness tips at 𝙒𝘼𝙏𝙃.com.